Welcome back to Product Critique. And today, we're diving straight into the bold, beautiful, and unapologetically retro world of the best 60s sunglasses. You can get your hands on right now. The ADE Oversized round sunglasses for women. Now before we go into the nitty-gritty, just look at these. Massive, dramatic, and dripping with that classic 70s mod style that's making a huge comeback. But let's get this straight. If you love subtle, minimal glasses, these are not for you. These are big, these are bold, and these are here to make a statement. Let's talk design. These sunglasses are truly vintage-inspired. With their thick, circular frames, they channel that iconic 60s and 70s energy. Think bold, think fashion-forward, think celebrity airport look from another era. But despite their oversized nature, they've been crafted to complement all face shapes. Whether you're square-faced or oval-shaped, this pair brings that extra punch of high fashion drama that completes your look. Now, onto comfort and quality. The frames are made from high-quality bold plastic that gives them a solid feel in hand, not flimsy or cheap in the slightest. You get a nice bit of weight without it feeling uncomfortable on your face. They sit snugly without sliding off, which is essential when you're out and about, whether that's a rooftop brunch or cruising in a convertible. And as for functionality, don't be fooled by the fashion-first look. These shades offer UV 400 protection. That means they're doing the job of shielding your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays, just like any high-end performance lens would. In this brown gradient lens option, the fade effect not only enhances that vintage aesthetic but also improves visibility in varying light. You'll get decent coverage thanks to the massive lens area. It's not just style, it's practical sun shielding too. So yes, they're glamorous, but they're not just for show. Now, let's touch on versatility. These aren't the sunglasses you tuck into your bag for errands. These are the pair you wear when you want to be noticed. Perfect for festivals, photo shoots, retro-themed parties, or just bringing that bit of fashion flair to your daily life. Pair them with a flowy dress, high-waisted jeans, or even a modern jumpsuit. They elevate any outfit instantly. Of course, it's worth noting that these glasses are oversized in every sense. If you're not into big frames, they might feel a bit much at first. But if you're into dramatic accessories or love experimenting with bold styles, these will absolutely be your new favorite go-to pair. So if you're chasing that perfect blend of vintage flair and modern-day functionality, the ADE Oversized round sunglasses should be at the top of your list. They're affordable, attention-grabbing, and a total throwback done right. That's it from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into fashion and gear, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, stay stylish, stay protected, and never be afraid to go big.